Alright, hello everyone, I'm here with another layout, and the background is Vicky Boonton's Wildflowers and Honey. And we ran up to the dollar store, I believe this was. And so we took Coco, came out, she was in the driver's seat. So of course I titled the student driver, because I think she thought she was going to drive us home. So my photo mat is Pink Paisley's Truly. Wow, my head's been hurting me. Feels achy. What, Ginger? Pain in the... Ginger, can you stop chewing on my... You chew on my cord and you break it. I'm going to be mad at you. I did use... She loves to come be aggravating. From a pattern paper. Some circles. And as you see, she jumped up there and messed up my stuff. And then those circles I cut using a stencil, but then I cut them out using my scissors. Some of them are scalloped. And they're just cut from different patterns in the kit. She's being frustrated. You see her. She's trying to play with my stuff I'm trying to cut out, and she's trying to steal my pencil. I'm gonna make a border across the top of the circles. Sorry. Her out there playing. She's gonna end up waking him up. I'm gonna just vacuum today. I'm gonna clean carpets Friday when I'll be by myself. I'm just gonna do my dusting and wiping down my walls today. I want to use that other piece of circle somewhere else. So we'll see. So now we'll see what happens. I'm going to pull out American Crafts Truly Grateful stickers and use some of those. The butterfly is one of them. I'm going to get out the die cuts that are Pink Paisley's Truly Grateful. I hear a noise. See anything outside? Need to fix this. Alright, so I'm just going to glue everything down. Commit to placements. Before I get too far, I want to go ahead and get the background, at least the background done. I'm going to put down my photo because that circle has to overlap my photo. And then the half circle. Okay, so now it's time for embellishing. Hello is die cuts. I'm going to put that at the top. My title is just student driver, but I put the hello up there. Like, hello, what do you think you're doing? Just trying to figure out what else I can use. And I like the birdhouse with the bird. So I do have all these frames, but I do not. Oh, maybe I do use them. And those are Pretty Little Studio, but I don't think I use them. Instead, I use florals. And then student driver, I put over there to the right where that blue star pattern sticks out. And I'm going to sneeze again. Excuse me. Oh, wow, the sky is beautiful. It's pretty pink. I made the mistake of letting Mateo sleep with me again, and he, oh my God, puts his arm over my face, knee in my back. Oh my Lanta. That's why I was up at 11:30. I just couldn't sleep. And when I'm up, I'm up. I had to go listen to meditation music to go back to sleep. So I'm just kind of going through everything and seeing if there's anything else that I'm feeling for this page. And no. So I have to get my wax paper and I'm trying to figure out what do I want to use. So I go with the American Crafts Happy Thought Thickers, which are those. The same ones that I use for See You Later Alligator. And I just spell out student driver. And then once I get that down, that is going to pretty much complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.